The Doosan Machine Monitoring Center, also known as MMC, identifies the status and operational environment of customers' equipment all over the world through telematics and communication network installed on their equipment. It especially detects fault codes in advance that could cause severe damage to equipment and prevents unexpected failures. Once a fault code is confirmed through Doosan Connect, MMC identifies the situation right away and switches into emergency response procedure. Through the equipment monitoring dashboard, MMC identifies operational status and abnormalities of equipment all over the world in real time. MMC identifies information needed to solve the fault code, such as the cause, solutions, needed parts, shortest route to the customer site, etc., and comes up with an optimum solution. MMC then immediately shares the confirmed information and fault code solution to service engineers in each region. As soon as the service engineers receive information, they make emergency calls to customers, explains equipment status, and makes an emergency visit to the customer. Service engineers will visit the customer as fast as they can and normalize customers' equipment, using the prepared solution and required parts. Service engineers will explain results of the actions taken, and customers will be able to operate their equipment without concern as unexpected faults were prevented ahead of time. In addition to responding to various emergent situations in real time, MMC uses its accumulated and analyzed data from different equipment to provide its customers with an optimum guideline on equipment operations.